Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to reveal an exciting, brand new method that allows you to earn up to $125 a day, just by searching Google for free. You heard that right? If you're already browsing the internet every day, why not turn it into a profitable side hustle? Stick around until the end, because I'll break down all the steps you need to get started and maximize your earnings. So, first, let's address the obvious question. Why would anyone pay you to search Google? The answer is pretty straightforward. Companies, marketers, and researchers are willing to pay for people who can look up information, gather data, and organize it. This helps them understand market trends, customer behavior, and product research without hiring full-time employees. Now, let's jump right into how you can take advantage of this opportunity. Step 1. Sign up on microtask platforms. To get started, you'll need to sign up on microtask platforms that connect freelancers with companies looking for search tasks. Websites like Clickworker, Appen, and Lionbridge are perfect for this. They offer Search Engine Evaluator, or web search tasks, where you're paid to conduct specific searches, evaluate results, or collect information. Simply create an account on one of these platforms, fill out your profile with relevant skills, and apply for search-related projects. While the pay varies, some of these tasks can pay anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour, which quickly adds up to $125 a day if you work consistently. Step 2. Sign up for paid search programs. Another option is to join paid search programs like UserTesting and Respondent.io. These programs are known for paying participants to test and search for information online as part of their research. Many studies on these platforms will ask you to complete searches, answer questions about the experience, and provide feedback. And since companies pay well for genuine user feedback, you can expect rates that range from $50 to $125 per project. Just head over to UserTesting or Respondent, create an account, and start looking for studies that involve search-related tasks. Remember to take your time to answer any preliminary questions accurately, as it can boost your chances of being selected for higher-paying gigs. Step 3. Apply for a Search Engine Evaluator job. If you're looking for more stable, consistent work, consider applying to be a search engine evaluator directly with companies like TELUS International, iSoftStone, or Appen. These companies work with tech giants to improve search engine algorithms, and they need people to test search accuracy. As an evaluator, you'll perform searches on Google and rate the relevance of the results. The great part is that many of these positions allow you to work from home, set your own hours, and earn a steady income. They typically pay around $12 to $15 per hour, which can easily amount to $125 a day if you work full-time. And the best part? You don't need any special qualifications beyond good internet skills. Step 4. Try Google Opinion Rewards. Another method for those who prefer flexibility is Google Opinion Rewards. While this isn't a full-time income, it can still be a quick way to earn some extra money. Google Opinion Rewards offers surveys and quick tasks related to searches and online browsing. For each survey or task you complete, you'll receive points that can be redeemed for PayPal Cash or gift cards. It's not a huge income stream, but it's a nice way to get paid for minimal effort. If you combine Google Opinion Rewards with some of the other methods I've mentioned, you'll notice that these small earnings add up fast. Step 5. Use GPT tools to maximize your search efficiency. This is an advanced tip that can help you complete search tasks faster. By using GPT tools, you can quickly locate answers, summarize information, and generate search queries more effectively. For example, if you're asked to gather information on a specific topic, a tool like ChatGPT can help you generate relevant keywords and narrow down search results. Remember, the goal is to be efficient with your time so you can complete more tasks per hour. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. Step 6. Join content aggregator programs. Finally, look into content aggregator programs like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars. These programs pay you to browse websites, search for topics, and even watch short videos. Though they don't pay as much per search, they're simple and easy to do in your spare time. Swagbucks, for example, rewards you with points for searches, and these points can be converted into cash or gift cards. While it may not be the primary way to earn, it's a great addition to boost your daily earnings. Step 7. Become a social media evaluator. Similar to search engine evaluators, social media evaluators get paid to analyze search trends and monitor the relevance of social media content. Companies like Appen, Lionbridge, and TELUS International often hire for these roles. Tasks may include rating the quality of social media posts, relevance to search trends, or even tagging content. Rates are comparable to search engine evaluator jobs, often around $10 to $15 per hour. Step 8. Use Google Ad Evaluator programs. Some companies also offer Google Ad Evaluator roles where you can get paid to check the relevance of Google Ads. In this role, you'll review ads that appear in searches, ensure they match user intent, and provide feedback on their quality. Appen and Lionbridge offer these positions frequently. This job requires familiarity with Google Ads and good analytical skills, but the pay can be around $12 to $15 an hour. Step 9. Freelance as an internet researcher. If you're skilled at finding detailed information online, consider becoming a freelance internet researcher. Websites like AskWonder and Just Answer connect researchers with clients who need specific information. As an internet researcher, you can search for detailed answers to client questions, research topics, or help with product comparisons. Pay varies depending on the platform, but you can earn $20 to $30 per research task, which can add up quickly. Step 10. Sign up for survey websites with search tasks. Survey websites like Vindale Research and Survey Junkie occasionally have search tasks that ask users to browse websites or search for information on Google. While these won't pay as much per task, it's an easy way to stack up some extra cash with minimal effort. Completing a few surveys a day, especially those involving searches, can boost your earnings when combined with other methods. Step 11. Participate in search engine studies. Several research firms conduct studies on how people use search engines and are willing to pay participants for their time. Platforms like Respondent.io and Prolific often post these types of studies. Rates can be high, often $20 or more for 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the study's requirements. Step 12. Offer local SEO search services. If you have some knowledge of search engine optimization, offer your services on freelance websites like Fiverr and Upwork to help small businesses with local SEO. Local businesses often need help improving their visibility in Google's local search results, and they're willing to pay for someone to do keyword searches, analyze competitors, and suggest SEO strategies. This service can pay well, and you'll earn more as you build expertise. Wrapping up, and that's it. By following these steps and consistently dedicating time to these platforms, you can realistically earn up to $100 to $25 a day just by searching Google and completing simple tasks online. Remember, the more efficient you are, the higher your earnings will be. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you're ready to start earning from home, try out some of these platforms and let me know in the comments which one works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.